Yo, what's good, YouTube? Let me go ahead and get this video sent out. For those of you guys who have the notifications turned on, thank you for that. That's awesome. But also, I want to just copy over the description from this last live. Damn, you guys could tell I was on a 3-day no sleep right there. That was definitely something. So I've gone ahead and named it the right thing. And boom, let's get to the chart real quick. And just go to Telegram, send out this link very quickly for you guys. Yeah, my Instagram did get banned. You guys would just have to message me on Telegram. Do I still use the Asian indicator? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. That's a very important thing for me. No, I'm not ignoring anyone's messages. I'm just simply, I've been dealing with a lot today. Obviously, I just got banned on Instagram. And yeah, and I've been responding to everyone as fast as I possibly can. What do you guys think of the new background? This is, even more additions and more additions. It's fucking looking sick right now. I'm loving it. What's good, everyone? Yo, they can't fucking stop me, bro. They're just salty. They're salty that, and I'm doing what I'm doing. And a lot of these people are lying to you guys. A lot of these people are, it's called a marketing account. On a marketing account, it'll say live. They can cook the numbers however they want. But guess what? I trade on an actual real live account. That's why I actually show. I trade on an actual real live account. That's why I actually show withdrawal. That's why I can show. That's why I can put my trades on the actual Zoom screen and trade it live in front of everyone because I'm actually connected to liquidity. Somebody said you killed it last week. Thank you, bro. Start over? Start over what? That GU banked you 4K? That's fucking fire, bro. So what are you gonna do with that 4K? I just withdrew half of the profits of last week, so 60K just hit my bank. Thank God. What's good? What's good? Thank you for all the congrats on the 50K day and everything, guys. Those words mean a lot. This is not financial advice, but potentially I'm just giving kind of a little trade idea right here. I do think we're gonna come fill up this news. So yeah, I mean, take it as you see fit. Let me do something on my other screen real quickly. I mean, we'll see. We'll see. This is still interesting. I mean, it's still early. That is one thing that I do see. But I do kind of want to just get started with the actual outlooks. If you guys give me 1 second, we will get started with those. This is gonna be an interesting one. I'm kind of like really curious because like obviously, I mean, we're still so early, but like I do think we could come up to finish filling this in. I still think that EU has a bullish outlook. That doesn't mean that it wouldn't drop, but obviously we had this OB here, touched on the minute 2, broke structure. So I mean, we could be looking to come back down to here to tap in. We could, you know, want to move early. A couple possibilities on that one. Without further ado, let's see how many people we have on this live now. We have 65 viewers. I think that we should be good to start. Can everyone see the screen and everything properly? Guys, give me 1 second. I'm getting a phone call. Let me go ahead and close my door real quick. All right. Can everyone hear me now? Everyone can hear me well enough, at least. Starting off on USD CHF, I'm not seeing anything for swings right now. This market doesn't look like the type of thing that wants to swing. Obviously, I do see we kind of have like a doji here. Potentially, we come and we fill this down, especially I do have a bearish outlook on the US dollar. So I wouldn't mind seeing this come down to fill this in over here. I think that would be a pretty smart move. But for the most part, I'm not looking to swing this one. I'm going to go ahead and put it in my red list. Red list means it's going to be scalped, or I'm going to be looking for scalps. And green list is going to be, and blue list means that I'm looking to swing it, or that I can find swings on it. Here we have UCAD, which I think is in a great area right now. Just being this high up, I think that we could find some shorts for swings. It might have even set up yesterday, honestly. If we go back this far to here, all right. Oh, honestly, so yeah, so I would like to see it touch into there, potentially. Or break structure on the hour 4 first. Guys, give me 1 more second. I'm getting another phone call. All right, guys, so I'm back. So I would like to see either a break of structure on the 4 hour, or just the this hour OB get tapped into. But I do definitely think that we could get some swing plays on USD CAD, some swing shorts. USD JPY, this pair, dude, I'm not touching any JPY pairs because they make no sense to me. Oh, actually, what am I saying here? This one, UCAD, I'm bullish on the dollar right now. My bad, guys. What I could see potentially is, I mean, we could want to find something down here for scalps and take this higher up, which I would like to see. And then UJ, if I am going to take UJ, I want longs, but I don't want to enter way up here. I'd want to see it pull back and give me something better. So that's another one that's going straight to the red list. GU, pretty bearish on GU. I mean, we have this order block resting right here, which you can see price just literally wicked into and ran away. So whenever I see price wick into an order block and run away, I like to see it get swept. So that's one target that I'm going to be looking for, and I do like the idea of sells, of buys. Buys. Dang, I'm getting all mixed up. I'm bullish dollar, so or am I? Damn, I just completely lost my train of thought. Give me 1 second to recollect. Bullish dollar means GU goes down. Yeah. I mean, they said that they're ready to hold the rates high. I wouldn't mind it. Wouldn't mind seeing that get swept. I do think that we could come to fill this up, honestly. But yeah, that's pretty much the out. I mean, this is gonna be another one where I'm just looking to scalp. Potentially, I mean, up here we can find some sort of order block to fill in, but I think that this will get swept and then we're going to move lower to sell. That's what I anticipate is going to happen. I could obviously be wrong, and obviously I'm not entering right now, so that's fine. Here you can see price kind of broke a little lower. Gives us like a decent break of structure here and an order block resting down there on the hour. On the daily overall, though, I mean, I'm pretty much bullish on anything against the JPY. So that's the only reason why like I'm not too focused on taking any of the JPY trades, but no swing trade on there. No swing trade on GA for me. Let's go into the red list. And if I don't see a swing trade, like I don't really see the markups happening right now. GBP CHF is just kind of consolidating here. Nothing really for swings for me on this one. Again, that would be a potential something else like that I would potentially look for. GBP CAD, still like the daily swing strategy I use, it's not really there. It did react nicely off there, so you might be able to say like it's on the hour 4 or something. Yeah, wicked into the hour 4. I mean, I would want to see that get swept, honestly, and then closed in there. GN, here you have the daily on GN, and just no swings. Like these like honestly, I'm not seeing any swing outlooks on those at all. As you guys know, this one, I mean, I'm pretty bearish on EU because I do think that we have a bullish dollar, but I think that we could still come up to clear that news right there, or at least like retest this right here, that trend line. So I think that could be a potential trade, something like this, just because of how like even respected here towards the end of the close, kind of came up here, fell down. I think that it could be a good move, and I'd want to sell from higher up. Like if we get a nice little, if we have like a lower time frame order block, like let's see, which I know will be tough, but oh yeah, so this would be perfect. This would be my perfect scenario, honestly, is if we get something like this, where price pulls back up into here, right, and then break structure, and then we could set sell limits and take this down, like to create a new low. I think that would be beautiful, honestly. So like right there, I think it's a pretty good TP if you were to want to buy that up. Once again, no swings on that. Daily on Euro JPY. As I said, I'm pretty bullish against the JPY. It looks like it kind of was resisting here, and now it is almost acting as support right there. Even though I don't trade support and resistance, I'm still not like oblivious to see. Sometimes it does make sense. This is the first one where I've seen where we might actually have a swing setup. So Euro NZD, I'd want to see price pull back into this blue area, which would be our daily order block, and then give me my setup, which looks a little something like this. Boom, and then I call sell limits and look to take this down. Pretty simple. Euro GBP, as you guys know, I honestly rarely ever trade this one. Caught a 1-70 on it about a year ago. I haven't touched it since. This one looks like it could be giving us a swing setup. We broke structure towards the downside. We have our bearish order block resting right there. It's been tested. Didn't necessarily break structure. So what I want to see now is, did we touch on the hour 4 order block? No, we didn't. That would be resting up here. And then you would want something that closed under here if you want like that real break of structure, in my opinion, or continuation, I guess. So this one's like a little iffy. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the blues for now because I think that it could set up for the swings, but it's just not there yet. This one, we'd need a break under here. So that's going straight back to the red list. NZD CHF. No swings. We'd need to see it break above here. NZD USD. Pretty bearish so far. It is in this daily order block. Let's see if we refine this down. What can we bring it to? The hour 4 is huge. So this will be the hour 1 order block right here on NU. But I think that overall that's going to get swept and that it'll keep moving bearish. But if we get our type of setup, there's no reason why I wouldn't, try risking something very properly risked on this. So if we had something like this, price was coming down, broke structure, and boom, just gave us that type of setup, I don't mind. NZD JPY, looking at the daily, like I said, I'm pretty bullish against anything JPY, but no swing outlook for me on there. NZD CAD, same thing here, no swing outlook. AUD USD broke under. Nothing for swings right now for me. I still think that the dollar is bullish and that the other ones will follow it bearishly. Just kind of against that EU trade I'd kind of put up. Which honestly, when I realized that, it doesn't really make me feel too enticed to take that EU trade. Same thing here. We have odd JPY. It's not really looking like anything good. Odd CAD. I mean, it looks like it's going to play bearish off of here. But I'm trying to catch like a break of structure, like where we break into a new trend. And it just looks like these markets, like this week so far, have not set up that way. Only a couple pairs have shown me that. So for here, I need a break of structure above this, and then I'd be looking for an order block lower. Looks like we're gonna have to be taking like a lot more scalps or intradays, but like my swing outlooks, which are the ones I like to do these Sunday outlooks for, are just not setting up this week. So we need a break of structure under here on CHF JPY, Euro CHF, same thing. I mean, none of them are really setting up well, honestly. All of these look like they're gonna be scalped pairs, and I mean this one could potentially catch it from all the way up here. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. I'm going to keep this one very short. Obviously, I have a lot of stuff to deal with. My Instagram was banned. Somebody's after me because, I don't know, they tried to get me to join their side. This industry has a lot of fake stuff in it. So I was offered literally money to just go out there and scam people and like promote fake trades and whatever. And honestly, I told them no. And I responded by turning 5K to 126K live in front of everyone on my YouTube. So they didn't like that, and they actually banned my Instagram when I proved that I had a withdrawal today, that I actually sent it to my bank, like all this stuff that proves the trade is real. I guess it upset some people, and you know, right now I'm working on getting my account back up. And all I know is that I'm always going to fight for the side of the truth and for the side of honesty, and that I'm always going to be looking to provide the best value for these people, right? When you can actually trade, you don't need all these fake accounts. Yeah, bro, I was literally told that for every dollar people would put into this I'm not going to say what, you know, but I'd get 75 cents out of it. And I was like, what? And they were like, yeah, you could trade marketing accounts. And I was like, why though? Like, I trade real. And they were like, because you don't have to risk any of your money. And I was like, no, but I actually make money from trading. Like, they're like, no, you'll make more money this way. I was like, nah, I'm straight. So I'm just going to keep it there. Because, you know, I don't want my YouTube to get taken down either. But, guys, make sure you guys are in my free Telegram. The link is in the description. And I'm going to keep in touch with all you guys very shortly. And I'll send out, hopefully, a free signal this week. VIP is going to kill it. I'll be sending out all my trades in there. Make sure you guys are in there.